Oh, good morning, Raven. Oh, excuse me. Right. Jesus, it's a big ass bottom wick. Or, no bottom wick, a big ass candle, though. Yeah, I fixed my account. It turns out it was my Alpha Futures because I bought evals with them and I never got on to like activate. Like, you know, when you get a new platform, you have to like sign in and like agree to like the contract or whatever. It like didn't tell me to do that, and I thought I didn't have to, or I guess I forgot. Maybe it did tell me, or I just didn't see it. But I so I was like figured it out yesterday. So I had to sign in and just like accept the terms of the contract, and then it gave me data, whatever the fuck.
Aida.
Data. Yeah, I know. Because when I set everything up, I like was on their website. I did like the KYC or whatever and the other bullshit, and then I was like, okay, good to go. And then like it didn't say anything for me, but then I was like, all right, what did I do differently? For like, why was there just a random change? So I'm like, well, I did add in accounts, and then but realistically, I should have thought of that during yesterday's stream, but I didn't think about it. But I was like, okay, the only thing that's new is my Alpha Future account, so I like disconnected those and then like reconnected on startup. Or like I disconnected those and then like started it back up so those wouldn't connect, and then it said it was fine, and I'm like, oh, okay, so it's something to do with these. And then I had to go in and accept all this shit. Oh, it's fantastic. Now I can take a trade today and lose. It's gonna be awesome. Jesus Christ. I think I'm gonna short Apple when it comes through this. That's the plan. You ready, Johnny? I'll show you my puzzle.
Sick.
Like sick. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to tilt it. The whole thing's gonna fucking fall apart. Ready? Here we go. Isn't this thing sick? I think
I can see that.
Okay.
How big is it?
Yeah. Ouch.
How big was that one?
That was 2,000.
Pretty big for it, like for only 2,000. Still like really big.
I guess I don't know. Every one that I've done is like that brand, so it's like kind of the same. Markets were cooked yesterday afternoon, all because Elon and Trump had an argument on Twitter. What is going on with that? I didn't hear fucking. I heard like the smallest bit.
Elon hates like the bill.
Like that
And
short would have retired my bloodline. But looks great. Thank you, thank you. That
I
was
just
a lot of
it's
effort.
funny, but because I just got a notification that Tesla's down like 152 billion dollars.
Yeah, I just got the same thing. It's like some email from Take Profit Trader. Trump erases 152 billion.
Yeah.
Trump versus Elon. What was the like argument?
He just hates like the bill, whatever the bill is. I forget.
What was the news? This was NFP? No, this was NFE. Now I gotta decide if I want to do another puzzle or if I want to. I actually think I still have to finish my Batman Tumblr.
I've had like no interest in doing my Legos.
Legos is one of those things I like the result, and I don't really care for the process. Like the process is all right, I guess, but I don't know. Like I like the final product.
Yeah.
Puzzles I don't mind doing. Like puzzles it feels better when you like
I actually don't
do
play
it
puzzles. I do them like
because you feel some sense of accomplishment when you get pieces together because it's not being told to you. But like Lego is literally like put this here, put this here, put this here, put this here, and it just feels like a fucking
yeah.
chore. So about the tariffs, Elon said that Trump will cause a recession later this year, and Trump said Elon's technology was getting worse or not up to date. Oh no! Good grief! It's always something. So funny that like disagreement is just like, and the market dumps. Like when? Oh shit! When did that come out? Did it come out like at the top and stuff like that, or like when did the market start getting create like some high volume? Probably like here. It's high volume all here. Like did that come out at like 1 yesterday? And then we just fucking bled lower and lower and lower. Jesus. Or was it at like 3? Kanye West did his best to stop them. What? What is Kanye doing these days?
Does he even make music anymore?
I don't know. I think he like turned into being a degenerate or something. I don't know. Where he just comes up with a bunch of hot takes and then people take it way too seriously and then I don't know what happens.
Be a fucking genius.
Okay. Well, I wanted to see Pat. He made 15K already. Cool.
Love it.
I don't get it. But the ES is fucking straight up. I didn't feel like getting in on this because it's Friday and I don't want to hold the swing trade just for today. But it's looking decent right now. How much is that up? Before we get in, it'd be up like $200. Looks like I'm not shorting Apple today. Oh god. I was looking at RSI indicator yesterday. I thought that new high was a fake out for a short. Momentum didn't match with candlesticks. Thought it was interesting to share. Did you take a short off of it? What even is RSI? What does RSI stand for? It's like when it's overextended, right? That's what it is. Like, it basically tells you when it's like overbought or oversold, and like should have a correction. Relative strength index, I think, and that's what it does. Let me see. Relative strength index. Oh, that's what you said. I'm just a dummy. Jesus. How is it overbought? What? So this means you should be selling because it's overbought. How does it overbought here, but here it's not? Where it's the same thing. Like we're higher. How are we not overbought more? No, that not that. Oh, this isn't it. This price is going sideways. Well, no, price is up. Like we're just coming out of it, but here, or what? Once it consolidates, then it like simmers back into the middle of the range. Okay. Let's see. Is it a cheat code? If I sold here, I would have made money. If I sold here, I would have lost money. Nope, this thing's broken. Even though this was right at news, so I don't know. That's the point of consolidation. Don't use it. I didn't plan on it. I don't use that indicator. What is the indicator you use? Let me see. It's another RSI indicator. Any of these 5? Do we have any news today, actually, that's other than, I know we had an NFE earlier. No. Okay. Looking for divergences, though? I don't really know what a divergence is. Oh, but here it is. RSI divergence indicator. Oh, it made a bear flag. Oh, SMT. Okay. God, everybody's got fancy names for everything. Excuse me. There's a new high, but less momentum. That's usually a fake out. How do you tell if there's momentum based on this? Wouldn't that be with like volume? Or no? Like what? How does this show you 80 is overbought, 20 is oversold? What is this number even based off of? Fuck me.
Yep, when it's sticky, that sucks.
preferable flag. I don't use it much, though. Only when I spot a new high. Sometimes banks like to force price higher, but trick us into thinking it's going higher. If there's not enough momentum, they're placing fake orders. God, I literally feel like a retard. I don't know anything about. I've been doing this for almost 2 years. I don't know anything about anything. A sweep, LMAO, yeah.
I feel like people just love to overcomplicate it though.
Well, it makes sense that like it becomes our job, and then like you get passionate about it, and you like learn like why shit happens. I'm just, I don't know. I don't know if I don't care or if I'm just too dumb and like fucking can't be bothered. But God, I always just feel like I know absolutely nothing. Like I draw a line on chart and wait for a line to get hit, and then I buy. Like. Actually, I want to see what PayPal's up to. I just love learning about it. Honestly, it's not that important. I mean, anything that can help you, I guess. Or I guess it helps with like confidence too, right? Which is you need in trading, so it can be beneficial. Here's my PayPal if I was still in. I'd be way down though because my strike price was $78 because I'm a big old dummy. You got an option traded Tesla yesterday? Let me see. Let me see what it's at. Jesus, yeah, that's a big boy down right there. Holy, that's the most volume in a day since January 23. Jesus. What happened on that day? Did it go up or down? Oh, it went up. Yeah, good lord. Literally, you options traded that. You had some puts, dude, you'd be loaded. Do you swing trade a lot, Lily? I mean, Lily, Jesus, Raven. Keep an eye on this guy. I wish dude would have retired all of us. Well, do you option trade in general or no? Like, do you swing trade at all or no? I didn't mean just Tesla yesterday. Hello? What the fuck? What the fuck? you still have a Lego you're working on right now, Johnny, or no?
I had a Lego I've been working on.
Which is what?
The Hogwarts Express.
Are you close on it or no?
I've done one card out of like 4.
How many steps is it?
I'm not sure actually. I haven't done it in like a year.
Jesus. Oh, check. Cool. No, I worked with a friend on it and gave him signals. Those 70% win rate. You gave your friend signals, but you don't even trade it? Why? Robin was being so gay. Why? I mean, I'm not in love with Robin Hood either, but or do you mean like with like the platform the way it's set up, or like with like the information you have to give and it was like not cooperating? Yeah, couldn't let me option trade at all. Couldn't let me options trade at all, so I just did regular stocks. I got you. Some guy at the gym was telling me and Johnny about like some stocks. It's called like the ticker for it's like MSTY. They're like yield maxes that follow certain things. Like, and they pay out like 100% dividends on the year. And I don't know. They were interesting, but it's also very sketchy. They'll track like certain stocks and stuff like that. And like I don't know, based on like it's like people trading options and doing like covered calls and shit, and I don't know, somehow they pay out a shit ton, but I don't know, it just seems very risky.
Yeah, they fixed it finally. Up front, fixed on back.
Thinking about buying right there. Good luck, you know. See, I don't know. What? I think I need a new trap now, though, because that's now my second touch point. Before, my second touch point was here, and this was the trap below. But now, I didn't like it, so I didn't buy it when it pushed up through, which is a good thing. I don't have a trap now. But watch this thing just fucking rip. Let's see. I didn't take a trade. I'm only here for Johnny's Arab lessons. Yeah, good luck. He's fucking balls deep in a YouTube video right now.
Sitting here.
I just make fun of him because he has a peewee brain because he can't just sit there for 2 seconds without staring.
But he's
at
sitting
the screen.
right now.
Yeah, yeah.
That was almost a trade I could have got in.
Fix the issue? Yeah, I did, FF. So it was, I got like new accounts. These AF accounts are Alpha Futures. And I forgot that when you get a new account, like you need to activate, like you need to like sign into TradeEvade and like activate the, or like agree to the contract and shit. So that's why it wasn't displaying my data. But it's all fixed now, but I still have yet to take a trade. I almost got in on a long there. I'm happy I didn't, but yeah, I haven't like used a new prop firm in so long, so I forgot you had to go through the process of like accepting it or whatever. But could be getting in here though. Glad to sort of yeah. Depending on what this does here. Let's see what happens. I'm getting close. See if this ruins my weekend or not.
Where's that beeping?
It's the fucking washing machine.
Order filled.
Oh, it fucking. Just close now, it's gonna fucking flip.
Let's hope it gains some traction here.
I don't know, when it breaks above like that and now the volume's high. I don't know. Like instant flips. The candle was like green and then instantly flipped and now it's. Yeah. Yep.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Alright, let me fix my fucking
There's my trade for the day. It's always Fridays. They gotta be like, we want to ruin his weekend.
Yeah. How do I turn these fucking executions off and shit?
Order filled. Order filled.
Dollar store. There's a housekeeper lady that I follow, and she was. No, the one right in Billerica. Right by the school, behind the mall.
Sick. Two trades, 12. Two trades.
No, just not.
She don't want to go though. I thought I had just gotten trapped one more time, but we'll see.
It takes over all the smells. Right. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't think it's harmful at all. Yeah, she's nice.
This thing really doesn't want to go.
This one is like smells like just like natural, like fruity, nice. Clementine and basil.
Shop filled.
Two trades, not a lick of profit. Sick. I fucking cannot stand trading. I can't stand it.
Tough way to end the week. For sure.
I'm going back to electrical. I swear. This shit sucks. I can't be bothered. Oh,
Did you
anybody
blow
says it's
accounts off that?
psychology. No, I didn't. Or I blew my fucking alpha futures. emails.
No.
God. Anyone who says it's the psychology is the hard part is straight lying. I swear. It's so easy to not go on tilt and not do the shit you're not supposed to. But Lord, you sit there, you do everything you're supposed to every time, and you still fucking just lose and lose and lose and lose.
I mean, how many times have you taken that trade where like you feel like you get trapped and it's worked out for you? Like I feel like you've saved yourself a bunch.
I have, but I'm just saying, it's just good Lord. I'm literally just break even. All I do is fucking win an R, lose an R, win an R, lose an R. Let's end the week down 1.5 R. What a good week. Last week I was down an R. Awesome. Awesome. The week before that I was break even. I mean, this shit's so fucking boring. Holy shit. 50% win rate? I fucking wish it was 50% win rate. I tilted, yeah, no. Yeah, but a lot of people also didn't struggle with the month of May. The same people who struggled with the month of May struggled with the month of April and struggled with the month of March and the month of February and the month of fucking January. God. I mean, what? Uh, Make things better. This stock guy had a win rate of 5%. What does that mean, a win rate of 5%? Yeah, but that, yeah. Time to go full tilt and board this shit. No, there's no struggle in fucking taking the same trades every day. The struggle is winning the trades. Here we go. Let's see if this is the one that does it. How do I get these stupid fucking executions off my chart? I hate them. And switch back to ticks. I don't.
you're in the mosque chilling, and you're on your phone, and this is where you want to be right now.
Like, you could make funny ass TikToks. That's just what I want to do. Oh, God. Why? Why? I'm telling you, become a fake guru and sell courses. No. I have nothing to. Clearly, I have fucking nothing to teach because. I don't know. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. 5 seconds later, gambling. Yeah. Yeah. Great. That's a great TikTok. I refuse to even download that app. It's just. I feel like it's too retarded.
Not all of it's retarded. Some of it for sure.
Just. How do I prevent this from happening? I don't care about social media though. That's the problem. I just want to fucking make money. I can copy trade me and make money. Yeah, I can make $100 a trade. Not gonna happen. Mike, what's your Instagram? I don't have an Instagram. I didn't buy. I bought after it opened low or whatever. It did. 10 a.m. did open low. I didn't buy. I didn't buy here. I bought here. No, I don't have an Instagram. I promise you. Like, wouldn't this be? So it opens here. It comes down. That's your low, and it puts in its low and then goes. It swept it on ES, so it was. Yeah, I know.
I don't think every single trade you lose. I don't think there's some.
Yeah, but Johnny, I
percent,
mean, I haven't made any progress in fucking 2 months.
I guess. Just saying. I mean, you also barely took trades in 2 months. I mean, this is the first week where you've almost taken a trade every day.
I know, but it's just like, let's see. What are my Apex? I've had my Apex accounts for fucking. I'm gonna be at the part where you can take everything out. I just have no fucking money. I'm just a fucking break even guy. I just need a win streak to fucking be able to take out money. I swear. I've had my PA accounts for fucking anywhere from 6 to 38 days, or that's traded days. So it's probably more like on the accounts I've had for 38 or 37 days. Probably I've probably had them for 50 or 60 trading days. And now I'm going to be $1,000 in profit in my highest one, and I've taken one payout with it. Waiting for 15-minute close save me. PW's on a losing streak for 6 months on his front of the accounts. Just be patient with yourself. Was he? I don't know. I feel like that guy just doesn't fucking lose. He just knows when to sit out and when to get in. I don't know. Well, with 1R, you do need win streaks, yeah. I'll go grill some. But now that you switch to 1.5, you will actually be up even during the dry streaks. My strat is same with FFs. I wait for a price to break opening range high or low, and wait for prices to seek liquidity at another level with the right momentum. So I'm assuming you didn't take any trades today then, because we've been in the 15-minute the entire time. No, unfortunately. I don't really listen to music, FFs. Yeah, I know nothing's 100%, but gee, like, let me go through.
Like, you like getting in on trades where you feel like you get trapped. I hate doing that because there's just the last reason where you just like lose two on the same trade. I just feel like it feels worse.
I mean, obviously losing twice feels worse, but yeah, like you said, that's like the first time I've actually lost twice. Most times I have just
Yeah.
gotten trapped and then it has gone.
I'm just saying it's like twice on the same trade, which makes it feel worse. Like, I don't mind if I take 2 trades and I lose 2, like, as much.
Let's see. Let's see. I have taken. Oops. Fuck. Let's just fuck that up. Okay, that was weird. Let's go through the math of how fucking bad I am. Let's see. I need like a pen or something. Can help with the calculator. I mean, it's simple math, or it fucking should be. Like, it's just.
The good thing is you only need to win 1 trade to make back what you lost this week.
Yeah, too bad I can't win. I'm a fucking failure. Since the beginning of May, I've won 6 trades and lost 7. Let's continue this into April. If I include April, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I have lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the past 2 months, I am down 1 trade. And the day before that, I was plus on. I'm literally just a 50-50 trader who needs to go on a win streak. What is your RR? 1 to 1. Well, now it's 1 to 1.5. But I think something's got to change here because clearly I'm going through fucking 3 months of just buying 1R. Literally, this is how you know everybody's fucking retarded. Cause it's like, I've gotten more payouts than most people, and I literally still don't know if I'm past the break-even stage. Because clearly, all I'm doing is taking a win, losing. Taking a win, losing. Taking a win, losing. What is this? Chat disconnected. Yeah, 1.5 with 50%. But I won't be 50% because statistically I'm going to lose more. Like, that's it's just... Why not 1 to 2? But the problem is, like, that doesn't fix the problem. You know what I mean? It's like... Like, then you're just statistically, you'll just lose more and then make it back, and then you're still 50-50. Like, I don't know. Can I go back to fucking Thursday? 23rd. About to happen, Longs. Good luck. Three. Oh, I can do that. I literally think I might shorten my stop loss. Every winner looks the same, and basically every loser looks the same. Every winner, I'm up instantly. Like, I should literally just fucking cut if I'm not up instantly, I swear. See, 12, let's go to 13. I didn't even take this.
You can make it a 2 to 1. Lose 300, make 600.
Like, but look, it's the same. See, this is the day where it works, but it's like Like me getting in twice because I won one, lost one. Would that have hit 120? Eventually, yeah. But it's like every one of my losers is this. Wow, Skis comes in here, shits on my chest, and then leaves. Dude, if I was up 7R, I'd literally make fucking 40 grand in payouts this week. Like, congratulations. Fuck you. I'm happy for you, but I also hate you. But literally every one of my losers looks like this. I get in and it doesn't rip right away. I mean, I guess that one didn't rip right away either, to be fair. I actually got in at a bad price, but even if I got in here, it still would have never even come down and got me break even if I were to go break even. The 8th. Did I already do this one? Why don't you trade with momentum if you're done already? I thought I was, but clearly I'm not. Okay, this is one where I got in and it pulled back on me and then went. So that would be an example of it not working. I don't know if that went to here or there. I would break even because it was the day before. Again, what I took? Did I take this trade? Is this the? This is the 6th. Yeah, I didn't take that trade. I don't know why that's there. I took this one, but same thing. I get in and it's just the push up continues right away. You should get TradeTeller. You can import all your trades. It'll track the time duration of your wins and losses and see all this in a data aspect. Maybe I should, because May 2nd. This should be a loser. How the fuck did I lose on this? Oh, okay. Again, though, like I lose, it's because I literally enter in on this. It just instantly wicks. Like I should just be getting. I really think I should just be getting out. But this is what always happens. I feel like you sit there, you make adjustments to stuff that happens, then it goes right back to where it was doing before. And then you're stuck, and then you do that for the next 2 months, and then you change it back, but then it changes, and then it's like, again, though, literally, wicks up, and then I'm instantly red, and that's a trade I lose. Let's go, day before. It's like $250 for an entire year. You can pay monthly, but no point, in my opinion, and update your trade. It literally takes 2 seconds. It'll update your stats. It's pretty cool. What are you saying? Market conditions change? No, I'm just saying I get like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't because it's just a chart with fucking candles that go up and down. Let's go Friday the 25th. Set this. Where's my green thing? Back then are way easier than now. Like I don't. I don't like. It's not even go break even after the 1 minute closes. It's just like I think what trade did I get in here that I lost? Did I lose on this day? I think I got in here, if I remember. Pretty sure I got in on this and lost. Yeah. Let me go day before. Probably so. What time are you winning and losing? Like hourly opens and shit? I don't know. For what, like if I win or lose at the same time every day? I'm not sure. I don't even know what trade I took here. Did I lose this day? I think on this one I accidentally took this, if I remember correctly, which is just a bad trade. Well, not accidentally that I did, but I think maybe I took that. I don't know, I was fucking stupid. Let's go to the 21st. No, the 16th. You can't go back any further. Maybe I will get it. Just seems like every day I lose. It just seems like every trade I lose, I just get wicked in and then it goes. So it's like, why am I holding if it... I feel like every trade we win... Am I wrong, Johnny? Is it like every trade we win, we're just like instantly up?
I think so. Maybe you do like fucking 3-to-1s. You lose $200, and you try to make 600.
I don't even know if I need to... Statistically, the trades that I win do go to 1.5, but I'm like, I don't even know if I need that if I were to lower my stop loss, because it's like, wait, why the fuck is this like this? It's just every trade I lose is the same exact. I get wicked in, and then it just instantly reverses. And every trade I'm up, I just hit the button, and then I'm instantly in profit. So it's like, do I literally? I mean, this is today. It's like I get in, and we just immediately fucking reverse. It's like, do I just close there for like a fucking 20, 30 tick loss? It's like, because I'm looking for a breakout, and I'm looking for a breakout now, pretty much. Like, the only thing that'll fuck up if I say when I entered here and then it pulled back and then pushed up and then went. But how often does that happen? Not that often. Normally, if I'm in drawdown, I lose. I think the problem, because we were going for a little amount of ticks at one point, way back. What? This is the problem. I just feel like you fucking. Ugh. I just feel like you end up switching back and forth, and then watch. Because when we originally were doing this, like 40 ticks, it was in like August, which was like the highest fucking volatility month ever. And then like we'd literally get in and then get stopped in a fucking heartbeat, and then it would even go with like we'd even be right, but it would just pull against so far. But now where it's like more normal, I think I'm always just trying to be too fucking static. I swear. I think now where it's more normal, like price action's more normal, I should just go for fucking 40 tick stop losses. And then when it gets crazy, like it did in August or like it did in like fucking January or whatever, whenever like tariffs were going crazy, February, whatever, then just extend it to fucking 80. Because, like, before 40 wasn't enough room for it to breathe, but realistically, I don't even want to give it any fucking room to breathe because every fucking trade I lose or every trade I win just fucking goes right to profit. And realistically, I could have took, even if I did 40, which 24 prop firm accounts is insane. Or 26. Well, now it's 23 because I just lost 3 of my, or they were, I have 23 funded, 26 in total, but I just lost my 3 because I just copy trade them heavy with size to try to pass them, so I lost 3 of my evals, which is fine, but, so technically 23 now. Yeah, fully mechanical models are difficult mentally. I tried strictly mechanical models, and you go through such a long losing streaks until the odds play out. It's not even, I don't care about losing, or like, obviously you care about losing. A lot of traders don't reflect on their trades, and you're doing it right. I feel like I feel like I'm the only trader who fucking doesn't. I feel like everybody's backtesting and doing shit, and I'm wondering if what the fuck I'm doing wrong now. But I feel like a lot of people do all this shit. But you're caring right now. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. I'm not a fucking. I'm not Jesus. I care when I lose. But I'm okay losing knowing that the system works, but I'm just 50-50, I swear. So it's like, I just lose and I'm like, oh my God, I need to go on a streak. But, because it's like, statistically, my odds are just getting closer to 50-50. Like before, when I started in like January, February, December, I was at like a 70% win rate. And now I feel like it's just getting closer to probably to 60 and then probably closer to 55. Like, and it's just going to be 50-50 with me taking 1-to-1s and then just hoping to go on a win streak. Like, it's just so fucking... Trust me, they let their ego get in the way. No, I mean, I obviously have an ego, too, because I'm one who's like, oh, I don't like the back test, and I don't need to look at the hourly and the 4-hour and this shit. So I know there's stuff I could do, probably, to benefit, and I do try to a little bit more now. Like, look at the 2-minute and the 3-minute and the ES and NVIDIA and the Apple and the big movers for the NASDAQ and shit. But... I don't know. I just feel like every time I get in, if it pulls against me, I lose instantly. So what is the point of losing $400? But this is the problem. Like, I'm going to change, and then I'm going to have fucking 5 trades in a row, pull back 40 ticks on me, stop me out, and then go. But realistically, I think literally since I've started this strategy, basically every time I win... Obviously, there's outliers where it like pulls back like fucking 75 ticks and then you get lucky. But 90% of the time I win, it's probably just because I enter and I'm immediately green. So it's like 40 ticks is semi-breathing room because obviously you can't have 0 stop. But it's like 40 ticks is semi-breathing room. But then, yeah, that gets crazy. 40 ticks to 120. Is that not a crazy RR? I went from a 1-to-1 guy, now I want to be a 1-to-3 guy. How to start trading. I'm broke and have a little cash on my hand. Fucking don't. Put it. If you have little cash, you should not be trading. Go make some money and then fucking learn how to trade. But you're not gonna make any money with the little cash you have. Because even if you make 100%, you still have no money. It's like if you have $100, then you make 100%. You have $200, and you're still broke. So just go work. Do not do 3R. You will lose. Go to work. Alright. Do not do 3R, you will lose. But statistically, every single one of my trades, if you go back and look, but this is the problem. Then I change, and then it goes back to fucking something else. And then I'm just always a fucking market cycle behind, or whatever you want to call it. This is my one. This could have been my 1 to 3. I am. I swear. I'm always adjusting for something, and then it changes, and then by the time I adjust to it, the next fucking market cycle is there. But here we go. 1 to 3. That hits. Let me go to my next winning trade. Let me scroll way back because it's always so fucking far behind. The 20 seconds. Well, this one I end up losing because I would have went for a one to, or I would have been break even. This would have been a break even. The 13th. The problem is I don't even have any fucking data because I never even win any trades. See what happens this one? If I go 1 to 3. Here we go, this one. Shocking. I get in, it pulls right against me. So I would have lost 200 there, I would have made 600 there. Keep on scrolling, keep on scrolling. This is a quoting machine today? Yeah. Well, that's all I have to do. I just keep scrolling back because that's how I need fucking to scroll back 5 months to find a winning trade. But like again though, it's like okay, I get in here, instantly lose, get in here, instantly win, 1 to 3. Like all my trades that I win, I literally have 0 drawdown. If I already got in here, even though it didn't trap, but maybe it did on the ES, and I just wasn't looking at it at the time, who knows. That's a...
I think you muted yourself.
Am I muted?
No.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you were just talking in YouTube, but nothing was.
That's what I'm saying. After the 1 minute close, if it's not in profit, just close. Lock in, twin dust. I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
The Fridays really get you.
May 12. It's just I do the same shit. I fucking win, I lose, I win. Oh, let's check out this trade. Here we go. If I did 1 to 3, because it went right into fucking profit. Surprise, surprise. Even if I got in here, which I fucking did, but it's like every trade I win goes right into profit.
So have a 5-point stop loss.
I'm thinking about it. What is this? This was the 12th? Let me go to the 8th. I didn't trade today. Rip. Closed plus 45 for the week. Pretty much break even. Well, I took 2 trades and lost both, so you're not doing too bad. Not gonna lie, I missed 4 RR on Monday and Tuesday. That sounds terrible. Go for Ilias strat. I'm not switching my strat. It's just risk, I think.
I think, I think going to making 600 is good, but the thing is, if I make 600, I'm only gonna take 1 trade a day, which I'm fine with, obviously,
Yeah.
because I don't want to make 1200. But I think if you make your stop loss 15 points instead, like go for like 30, 15, I think that'll be the best one. 'Cause it's like, okay, so that, like, if you think it's going your opposite anyway, it's like, and you have a 50% win rate, it'll make it so you're still, what's that percentage increase? If you go for 2 to 1, what is it, like 66% profit? Chance of profit?
If you do what?
If you go for 2 to 1s and have a 50% win rate?
Uh. What if you win 50% of the time? What is your profit? I mean, you make for every 10 trades you take. If you win 5 and lose 5, you'd lose. What is 60 ticks? Or what's 15 points? 400. No.
Oh, it'd be a 75% win rate.
What?
Is it 75%? Like,
You
around
said
there?
50% win rate.
I'm saying your profit to, like, your... No, what am I saying? There's a percentage of, like, your chance of profit. Because you're looking for more R.
Alright, well, let's do it based on. So if you're risking 15 points. And that means. How many points are you risking if you're risking? Or how much are you losing?
It's 30 to
300?
15.
You're losing 300?
Yeah. It's 2 to 1.
So if you win 3, or you win 5 and lose 5, you're losing. God, I'm so fucking retarded.
1500.
You're losing 1,500.
You'll have
and you're,
$1,500 profit.
yeah. God.
I
Man,
think
that
I'm gonna
shit
do
is-
that. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go to the 2 to 1s.
God, I was the 1-to-1 guy. I was the fucking.
Yeah, but like you said, it's like I never like go down and then it goes in my direct. Like it's never like goes against me and then hits my take profit.
And at that point, why not do fucking 10? Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, where does the line get drawn?
Well, I think it's like you want to still give it enough room.
Yeah, but
It's like
do I think if it 40 ticks is enough for him? Yeah, maybe
It'd
not.
be 60
yeah, I don't know. No, I'm saying
No.
like 10 points.
no, I don't think 10 points is enough. No, I think 2 to 1s is perfect. I think 30 to 15 points is gonna be my thing.
Thank God today's fucking chest day. If I had to do legs today, I'd fucking just kill myself, I swear. I need to go fucking. I'm getting the biggest fucking chest pump today, I swear. I'm pissed.
I mean, we're gonna push ourselves today.
Good weekend. Bye, Raven. I'll try to be back on Monday if I decide not to fucking kick the chair out underneath my fucking ceiling fan. What day is it? Let's maybe go to the 6th. Let's check the 6th out.
It is the 6th.
No, the 6th of May, I'm saying. Like literally you have 26, well 23 now. I've tried to copy trade 3 alpha futures. I just lost them today. I was doing the evals for them.
Which isn't even bad because you thought you were getting a deal. and
Yeah.
you really weren't.
I'm not printing dust. I'm fucking breaking. This is the thing. Like, this is how you know everybody's fucking retarded in the trading space, because I'm a break-even trader and I've gotten more payouts than most people. That's how you know it's bad. For the same Apex accounts for fucking 50 days, I've gotten one payout with them, and now I'm up $1,000 in them because I just lost $800 today. It's like it's really not hard to get some payouts. It's like all you have to do is be brave, like, because I can follow my rules to a T. Everyone who's like, "Oh, it's just I need to fix my psychology." You're the best BE trader I know. To be fair, yeah, like it's literally what it is. I'm a fucking break-even trader. I just need a fucking win streak, and then I get a payout, and then I blow the accounts because then my average catches back up to me. Then I go back up the fucking 20 account. Like, it's literally what it feels like, because I mean, I am statistically pretty much. I just can follow my rules to a T. So it's like I'm break even, but can follow my rules to a T. But yeah, again, this one, it's like I get in, literally zero fucking drawdown, and it's like even technically this wouldn't be a winner now because I said I was going for 120 ticks. I mean, but it'd just be a break even. But if I did a 60 tick stop, it's just a break. Even if I fucking let it run all the way and didn't even, but I would go break even if it hit my 80 ticks. So. Let's see this Friday one. Let's see what happens. Oh, Friday, I get in. Guess what? It instantly fucking goes against me and hits my stop out. I don't see profit for a second. Shocking. It's like I could be saving myself $100 more per trade.
And then also making,
$100 more or $200 more.
yeah.
This one that I didn't take. Well, actually, I'm not gonna count it because I didn't fucking take it. So pointless.
I think this is gonna be a good. I think our RR was a little bad. Because, like, if we do have a 50-50 strategy, and it only goes, if it goes in our direction, and it only go, like, we never, like, we don't sit in trades where it fluctuates. It either goes or it doesn't. I mean, theoretically, this should be more profitable. Be twice as profitable now.
Is that like? Because you like, I think of it in just like odds. That's how I always thought of it. Because it's just like, all right, 50% you win, 50% you lose. But realistically, it's like 50% of the time I win, it's straight up, and I can get more. Like, there that we can go for more. It's like literally like 90% of the time I lose, it's directly against me and never has or like in 90% of the time I win, I'm in profit instantly. And I don't think we were capitalizing on that.
Yeah.
Because it's like, well, if I'm going to lose anyways, why am I just allowing myself to lose more? Because, like, realistically, it's like, it goes to break out. It. Like, let me go. Let me go to my fucking streams here.
Like, look through your trades and see how many.
That's what I have been doing. But the problem is you can't scroll, but because I've taken fucking 4 trades all of April that I fucking won or something. Like, 5 trades. So it's like, but let me just go to my channel.
I was gonna say, go back and just see how many you take where, like, it goes 15 points, like, against you, and it comes back and gets up for, like, break even. Probably 0, I'm not gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just... Let's see this one.
And then that shit like adds up. It's like you lost 3 trades today,
2.
that, or 3 trades this week.
Yeah.
Like that's a whole R at that point of
That's
like
more
loss.
than an R.
Will it be like $100 per?
Well, I lost what 3 trades, or yeah, oh yeah, yeah. 'Cause you
I'm
can't
saying
call
if you change it to
right.
300.
If you change it to 300, yeah, it's like. So it's like instead of me losing $1,200 and making 600. Wait, no, yeah, because I lost 3 trades for 1,200. Yeah, so it's like I would have lost 3 trades for 900, so I'd only be down
$300.
1 R. Yeah, so instead of me being down,
And then if you win the next trade, it's like, okay, I'm up $300, and you were 2 for 3. You won 2, lost 3.
yeah, okay. So first trade I get in on this, it's just instantly in profit. Let me see. Let me just keep going through these. Is there a way to like times 4 or something? Okay, there. Yeah, so that one, literally 80 ticks straight to profit. That's the first day I stream plus 9,600. Let's see the next day minus 9,600. Let's see if if I get in. I don't even think I was waiting for traps in these. Let's see, I get in on this. Is there like a skip 10-second button or something? I get in on this trade and it, yeah, instantly fucking goes against me. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So I get in there, it just instantly goes against me. And then even when it goes against me, it doesn't get me out right away. It still never retraces all the way back to even halfway to break even, and then I just fucking. Alright, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that one I just fucking lose. Let's see. Minus 1,600. Let's see. Or 9,600. Like, does it really matter for my losers? I guess I don't really need to look at my losers, right?
I mean, yeah, I guess it would help.
Well, because, like, this is, like, the first loser where I was actually up, like, 70 ticks, and then I pulled back, and I ended up losing on it. Or, like, 60 ticks or something, and I ended up losing on it. Losers, yes, FF. Honestly, I forgot I was even fucking streaming still. It's kind of scary. Whatever, I'll just leave it open for now, I don't care. I'm back testing here, or something like that, I don't know. But, yeah, what? And this one, yeah, I got up, like, 55, 60 ticks, and then it reversed on me. And I ended up losing. But, like, do I care about my losers? It's like, realistically,
Losers.
I'm trying to think. Not really. Like, this is an example of me not losing right away, but, like, I'd be fine holding this and then losing on this. Let me see. Let me go to my... I think it's more helpful for my winners because I can see how they win. I can already fucking see. Yep, let's see this one. Fucking get in. Maybe go into a point of drawdown. And then it dumps. Yeah, literally every one of my winners looks like this. Yeah, that dumps right to one to like. Okay. Next one. Okay, I get in. Straight into profit, pulls against me. How many points is that? Pulls against me like 11 points, and then hits my TP. And then probably would have hit my fucking... Yeah, would have hit my fucking 120. So that one, if I did a 3-1, I would have lost because it would have pulled back, hit my 40 ticks, and then I also think the volume was higher these days. But let me see. Let's see. All right, I get in. Oops. And it just pushes up and up. Once I'm green, it never goes in the red. Yeah, and then it just keeps going up higher. And then what I got my number 2. Yeah, okay. I can already see this one. Let's see. And it goes straight down right away, never in any drawdown, and keeps dumping to that. Yeah, I mean, literally every winner I'm looking at looks exactly the fucking same. So I think we're just letting our losers run for no reason. Our losers. Maybe 5 points in drawdown there so far. Maybe. What is that? I can't fucking see. Is that 15? That one might have just, see, like this is a rare one. This is a very rare occurrence. If it pushes up, pulls back.
Did that hit 15 points?
That one would be very close. I don't know. Let me see if I can get like an exact stoppage on when it did happen. I think it just got a print. So what? This would be like 92.50. Could it be 5 points higher? That one's close. That one either would have like wicked us out by a tick
Yeah.
or what. But obviously you're gonna get wicked out sometimes. Like, and then like, it just fucking rips up. If it didn't get you out, you would have got your 30 points. Let's see this one. Get in. And fucking shoots up instantly. Oh yeah, I remember this. I was already up on the day, and then it was like very spiky, so I fucking went break even because I was nervous. There you go. Let's see this one. See. Get in. Shoot straight up. That's my take profit. Get in. I'm probably pulled against me like 10 points. I mean, you can tell that's a high volume day. Yeah, and then hits fucking over 120 ticks. A trade, pulls back maybe 10 points. Yeah, these are high volume days. Yeah. Shoots up, hits your. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm now a 1 to 2 demon. That's what we're doing. I mean, literally every trade is the same. We're just letting our losers run longer for no reason. Adapt, overcome, inspire. You should write that
Losers.
down. How are you doing in your trading FFs? Are you in as much shambles as I am right now? Not very happy with my trading lately. That's good. So does that mean, because normally we go break even at 80? Do we go break even at 60 or we still go break even at 80? Like take some mill payouts from Apex. I want to say I was here. Yeah, maybe one day. My solution, I just went through like all my streams pretty much of all my winners and losers, and it literally is like all of my winners basically go straight into profit. So I think the plan is to keep. I think I'm doing 60 120. I think I'm doing 1 to 2s. Because every single trade that I win, for the most part, like 95%, I think only one video that I watched like went more than fucking 10 points into drawdown before I left, or more than 15 points into. I think it was actually more than 10, but I think 15 will just make me feel better. So I think I'm gonna change it to 60 because it's like every loser. Every loser.
Here comes the I told you so from 12.
Yeah, I know. He's about to fucking shit on me. Just think, what about that time we looked? Well, when we looked, we determined 120, but we didn't look at it going straight to take profit or not. But literally looking at it and just like feeling it, like I know, and every fucking time I trade, it's like, all right, like if I win, I'm literally up like instantly, pretty much. So theoretically, after this week or last week, whenever I fucking changed it. What, did we change it this week?
Yeah.
So instead of going
we've
from
only
1 to
the
1,
first trade we took with it, we won, which felt nice because we made 600.
Yeah. What was that win you took this week? Was that a 2R? Well, like, if you say, well, now R is different to me because R used to be 400, but now R is going to be 300. But what was that, Tuesday? Yeah, that was Tuesday.
Yeah, I don't think I took a trade money.
Yeah, it was Tuesday. It was this trade here. Like, surprise, surprise. Enter the trade, green the entire fucking time. So reduce risk, increase TP. Yeah, which was never a fan of because I'm like, well, statistically I'm going to lose more, but statistically when I'm losing 50% of the time anyways, or this should be 6, so this will be like this. That's what it would have been like. So statistically, I was like, okay, like I'm just going to lose more if I do that, but realistically I still win 50% of the time when it goes in my direction, but now I can just win more, and then like basically it is 50-50 of like me winning 50% of the time goes straight to my take profit. Hello, Raj Vlog 9.6. How are you doing today? But statistically, it's like, yeah, pretty much. Or I'm not even going to call it a runner because I'm not taking profit early. But it's like 50% of the time, it hits my take profit and it goes straight to it. And the other 50% of the time, I get in and I instantly lose. So it's like, I might as well lose less on the ones that 50% of the time I'm going to get in and they're just going to run against me. And I might as well make what we went back and checked that I can make every time I win. So I just took what was here and pushed it up to here. Well, technically I pushed up 40 ticks this way and only shrunk 20 on this one. But so reduce risk, increase TP. Yeah, pretty much. That's what I am doing. Oh, God.
Feeling more confident about it now?
I just know how next week goes. Gonna get wicked out by fucking 2 ticks. He closed 80% of my positions at 2R, then leave the rest for Valhalla. I only have rip my.
Or
Okay, alright. Alright, so let me go into here, edit. It's like order quantity 1. Oops. I retarded. Fuck does that? Or 1.5 hour at the very least, but that's rare. I got you. But it's like, so technically today I could have saved myself $200 just by doing that, and then I would have. How many trades? Or like, so this week I would have saved myself $300, and I only won one trade.
Yeah.
So
So you
I
would have been
would've-
down 1 hour,
I would have been down 1 hour instead of.
down like 2 hour. Yeah, you're down 2 hour.
Well, I'm down 1.5 R, but 1.5 R is.
No, you're down 2 hour. You're down $600.
No, that's 1.5 R.
Your weekly P&L is $600.
I know.
That's 2
but,
hour.
No, but from where I was
You
risking
changed
at
your
the
R
po-
to
I
300.
know. I'm saying right now I'm down 1.5 R, but my strat that I'd be doing now, I'd be down 1 R, and it would be less money. Because 1 R is less, so it'd be like, yeah. So instead of being down 1.5 R with more R risk, I would be down less R and less money because my risk is less. All right. Well, let's go in next week and crush it. Am I right? Well, alrighty. I'm out of here. Enjoy your weekend. Peace out.
Gotta go wreck myself at the gym.
Wow, it's 11:39. Jesus Christ, this is the longest stream I've ever fucking done.
It feels like it's still early.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, 12. If you do 2R, then you can do risk 300 to make the same as you are making. Yeah, that's what I am doing. I'm going to risk 300 to make 600. So if I did that all this week, I would be down, because I'd still be down, obviously, but I'd be down 300, 600, 900. I'd be down $300. Instead, I'm down 600. So I'm down double of what I could be down. But, alrighty. Peace out.